Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your speaker Harman Kardon on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to search. Click on search line and write home. Now search and you should install this application. Now open it. Get started, next, allow, choose your account and then click OK. Next, allow, next, while using the app. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!